Hello, beautiful goddess. I just wanted to make a quick video for you today. I'm putting this out on Sunday about how to work with affirmations. Now, I have some wonderful affirmations out there, and this video I'm making without very much editing because I just wanted to get it out to you. So check on my homepage and you'll see all these affirmations. I am affirmations, affirmations to do with the root chakra, all different types of affirmations, self-love, but how do you get them to work? So if you've worked with affirmations and felt that you failed with them, I don't want you to feel that you failed. You did not fail with affirmations. There were several secrets to working with affirmations. I want to share them really quickly in this video. The first one is regularity. You do have to work with your affirmations daily to really see results, okay? At least once a day. And if you can, work with them in the morning when the mind is fresh and the subconscious is more open to positive suggestions. So in the morning, right when you get up and before you go to bed. Put them in your journal or on a card or something so that they can be right by your bedside, okay? That's really important because that way you're gonna do it because they're right there, okay? So have your affirmations really nearby. So right when you get up, you can say them, and right before you go to bed, right before you fall asleep, you can say them, just okay? Be aware. Scientists are saying now that habit formation takes about 66 days, okay? So just be aware of that. If it's a big habit you're trying to change, of course you need to do other things with the habit, including take action. But to see real change, they're saying it takes 66 days. Now that's the average. So obviously for bigger things, it takes longer, right? Or if it's something difficult for you. And for other things, yes, it might be only 21 days, okay? Because 21 days is tossed around a lot. But really, to make change, affirmations do work. There are scientific studies to it. And I will add them below the video once I get a chance. Give me a day or so to pull the studies and get the links below the video. But there are studies that show affirmations do work. Don't listen to those on YouTube who are like, oh, they don't work. It's like anything. That's like saying exercise doesn't work. Right? Like we know sometimes it doesn't work because we don't do it enough or we don't do it regularly. So affirmations are the same way. So I just want you to know, if you want to lift your self-esteem and you want to improve what's called your self-concept, which is your overall how you feel about yourself, you can do that, and affirmations can help, okay? Listen to them. You could also play them softly in the background so that they're almost like subliminal, okay? That's another way to work with them. So just leave positive affirmations playing in the background. But doing them, speaking them is important. And a very well-known motivational author, the man who wrote The Chicken Soup for the Soul, the first one, and has the series. I'm blocking his name right now. Let me know his name in the comments because I know you guys know him. I think one of his recommendations is also to run your fingers under the affirmation. So as you're saying them, say them out loud, but also run your fingers under them, okay? Run your fingers under them so you're getting a tactile, you're hearing it, you're seeing it. The more you can engage your senses with affirmations, the better, okay? Thank you and really appreciate you. My channel, as I'm making this, is very close to hitting 10,000 subscribers. I am just so grateful for all of you. And you may not know, the reason I started this channel, I believe it was literally my first video, I'll put the link below, was I was teaching and suffering from depression and anxiety, and I made a video saying you are not a victim, how to not think of yourself as a victim despite if others have victimized you. It was meant to be empowering, and I really just wanted to share. It wasn't about growing a YouTube channel. That was the start of this channel. My mission, as you know, is to empower women to get out there, start that business, live your dreams, go back to school, go on that trip you wanted to go to, study that new subject, give that talk, get out there. The world really needs us now, okay? It needs that female energy, that feminine energy, that goddess energy. And the last tip to get affirmations to work well, I think, is to combine them with actual visualization, not just saying them by rote, not just saying them like a robot. That will not work, you guys. So you've got to get your emotions into it. You've got to really feel your affirmations. And that's how you know you have a good affirmation. If your affirmations don't move you, they're not the right affirmations. Now, I have a lot of affirmations, but let me know in the comments if you would like me to talk about, one, how you can make your own affirmations, and two, a technique that I think takes affirmations to the next level. It's another technique, and I think if you sandwich them together, it's called the ideal day. If you put those together using your affirmations, let me know in the comments if you want me to make a follow-up video talking about the ideal day practice and how that can also help take your affirmations to the next level. But again, you've got to feel the affirmations. That's the final piece, is get yourself involved in them. And that's what's really going to change, because that's going to shift you on an energetic level. It's going to make everything more real. The way to put emotion into them that one teacher talks about a lot is to actually, not even like you're doing tapping, but like tap yourself, or, touch yourself as you say it, like I am. You say, I am successful. I am a successful business owner. And you have to really feel it. Okay, so however you can get emotions in there, that's really key as well. Stay blissed, stay blessed. Mwah. Much love. Bye-bye.